Good morning, welcome back to the Unbusy Home where we make time for what matters. Today I'm going to show you a super quick organizing hack that hopefully will help you to save up some drawer space. Let's get started. I just unpacked this little new gadget. It's probably going to be my favorite gadget right now because the thing is that I ended up having too many scarves, and over the winter I normally get dressed up in a black dress at work, and I use a scarf as an accessory. Usually I would wear black dresses and I use colorful accessories to cheer it up a little bit, but a black dress is always a safe choice, especially in the corporate meeting room. It's one of my favorite things, but I really don't like to have a really dark look, so I would put on red, green, pink accessories. And the other thing why I really love these huge scarves is that they are so nice and warm, and in the meeting rooms often it's super cold, so these come in really handy. This winter I just ended up having too many of them. So many that after cleaning up the hallway, I realized that I am no longer able to close the actual drawer. So that is not good. Therefore, I have ordered this little gadget that will help me to place my scarves on top of each other, saving me lots of drawer space. So let's get started. Let's see how this is going to look like. And it's done. So I think this is a really nice organizational gadget, and I think it's going to serve me very well in the wardrobe. It's also a nice non-slip velvet texture, which is going to take good care of my scarves, and the ones that are silk are not going to slip off of it. So I'm just going to show you my wardrobe here. This is how it looks like after I've organized all of them. And actually, I think I'm not going to put these back into the drawer because this is a really nice space and I need it for my summer dresses and some summer t-shirts. So I think these kind of hangers will serve me quite well in the future. If you found it useful and you think you could save some space in your home as well, find the link to this little gadget below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you as always, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.